Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Experience the brilliance of the Rovivon Aurora A7 G4, a state-of-the-art keychain flashlight delivering a dazzling 650 lumens to light up every adventure of you. Designed for ultimate versatility, it comes with magnetically reversible clips, a secure base, and a lanyard hole, allowing you to attach it effortlessly to your cap, pocket, bag, or keyring. In the dark, its uniquely glowing shell casts a stunning blue hue, creating an enchanting ambiance perfect any outdoor exploration. With multiple side lights offering low, high, and flash modes, you can easily read maps or send emergency signals when needed. Its smart lock-unlock feature prevents accidental activation, while a single switch grants instant access to all modes, including a momentary high bright burst for urgent situations. Besides, recharge quickly via USB-C, just 90 minutes to power up, and rely on its robust 330 mAh rechargeable lithium polymer battery, ensuring your Aurora A7 G4 is always ready to illuminate your path or serve as a handy portable power bank. Is your back door handle often damaged and frustrating? Then from now on, you will no longer have to worry about that problem. This new replacement handle will meet your requirements. Rigorously tested to meet exact factory specifications, every mounting port and socket mirrors your OEM part perfectly, ensuring a seamless swap for your defective latch door handle. Crafted from reinforced ABS plastic and treated for extra durability, this tailgate handle withstands harsh weather and years of daily use. Specifically, for 2000 to 2006 Toyota Tundra models, it features an improved mechanism and key lock hole, providing a reliable fix for common tailgate latch issues. With direct fitment, you can completely install it yourself without spending much time or money. And if any problems arise, the brand's worry-free replacement or refund service will support you. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Unleash the power of precision with the Orion MotorTech 9-way slide hammer puller set. A game changer for every pulling challenge you face. It features both 2-jaw and 3-jaw pullers, designed for intricate internal and external work, complemented by 2- and 3-way cross blocks, and a cone-type puller that together provide the perfect jaw configuration to extract bearings, gears, and seals with ease. Plus, a grip wrench adapter and a dent puller attachment expand its capabilities to handle even sheet metal pulls with finesse. Every tool is securely housed in a heavy-duty organizer case for lasting durability. Crafted from rugged carbon steel alloy and chrome vanadium steel, this kit withstands accidental drops and years of heavy use without cracking or rusting, ensuring you're always equipped for the toughest tasks. Reach the pinnacle of precision with the latest state-of-the-art clamp meter, meticulously designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Boasting an impressive 1 mA sensitivity for measuring both AC and DC currents, it guarantees pinpoint accuracy every time you take a reading. Its dual-line display offers the flexibility to monitor AC voltage, current, and frequency, or even temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit, making it an indispensable tool for a wide range of applications. With its innovative low-impedance mode, ghost and stray voltages are quickly identified and eliminated, ensuring that you're working with reliable data and a safer environment. The integrated V-Alert function revolutionizes non-contact voltage testing, streamlining your workflow. Designed with portability in mind, the back clip lets you effortlessly attach the meter to your belt or pocket, so it's always within reach. Discover the power and reliability of 0GA25FT battery jumper cable, your ultimate rescue tool for dead or weak batteries. Crafted with a robust 0.58-inch diameter and a heavy-duty, thick inner core, these cables are designed to jumpstart everything from cars, coupes, sedans, SUVs, full-size vans, and larger trucks to farm equipment. The No 1 booster cables feature 4 giant alligator clamps with jagged teeth and strong springs made entirely of full copper with welded connection points for outstanding conductivity, delivering up to 1,000 A current for a rapid start. With 25 extra long feet of premium PVC insulated cable that stays flexible even in freezing conditions, you can easily reach batteries on the opposite side of your vehicle. Added safety comes from the S6 reverse connection protection, ensuring a 100% safe jump start every time. Backed by No 1 quality and dedicated customer service on Amazon, these cables give you the peace of mind you need on every journey. Step into the future of in-car connectivity with our advanced wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system, designed to transform every journey into a seamless, tech-savvy adventure. As soon as you step into your car, your iPhone connects automatically, offering effortless access to apps, maps, and more, right from your car's touchscreen, while Siri handles commands with ease. Android users enjoy similar benefits, with the added option of a wired connection for even smoother integration. Beyond connectivity, our 9-inch HD touchscreen doubles as a cutting-edge dashcam, capturing crisp 2.5K front and 1080p rear footage simultaneously for enhanced safety. With real-time GPS navigation, voice-guided routing, and seamless Bluetooth audio transfer to your car's speakers, or even FM transmission, this plug-and-play solution, powered through your cigarette lighter, fits perfectly into most vehicles without disrupting your original radio setup. Elevate your wrapping projects with our ultimate professional toolkit, crafted for both seasoned pros and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're applying window tint, decals, signs, wrap films, or car vinyl, this comprehensive set has you covered. At its core is a durable felt edge squeegee, meticulously designed to eradicate bubbles and minimize scratches, ensuring a flawless finish every time. Its unique design conforms effortlessly to intricate areas. Think shallow recesses and bumpers, firmly pressing the film into place while protecting your car's glass, paint, and vinyl. Complementing this is a standard razor blade securely encased in a plastic holder, letting you safely trim excess film to create perfect shapes and sizes. The kit also features a retractable 9mm stainless art knife with 10 snap-off blades. Simply snap off a dull tip for a fresh, razor-sharp edge and experience precision cutting that truly transforms your work. Experience the future of automotive diagnostics with the 2025 upgraded MK808S, a groundbreaking evolution of the MaxiCheck MX808. This state-of-the-art scanner harnesses powerful bi-directional control to perform active tests on subsystems like windows, rear mirrors, sunroofs, and wipers, ensuring every actuator works flawlessly. Designed to support over 150 car brands worldwide with FCA AutoAuth. With dealer-level precision akin to Snap-on tools, the MK808S reads and clears codes, displays 5-in-1 live data, and delivers special functions for all modules. Its intuitive AutoVIN and AutoScan features identify your vehicle's make, model, and fault codes with a single click, while Wi-Fi printing instantly generates detailed diagnostic reports. Save time, reduce maintenance costs, and enjoy flawless performance without subscription fees, making every repair faster and more efficient. Engineered to elevate your cargo security, Bungee Cord Net is crafted from premium high-quality latex, wrapped in robust, high-strength nylon for exceptional durability. Unlike ordinary nets that stretch only 200%, this design extends an impressive 300% up to 15 teens 21. Featuring a 5mm latex core enhanced with a polypropylene coating, it delivers outstanding elasticity and endurance even in harsh weather conditions. The tight 5-inch 5-inch mesh and secure knotted joints ensure a reliable hold on rooftop cargo. .12 heavy-duty 8mm aluminum strings spring-locking carabiners with removable screw gate locks, along with 12 universal ABS hooks, plus a convenient zippered storage bag. Backed by 24-hour friendly customer service and a 100% satisfaction guarantee, this versatile cargo net is the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or Christmas, ensuring your adventures are always secure and stress-free. Discover the ultimate in-car connectivity with the SCUMAXCON RCD360 Pro A radio, RVC version, a dynamic infotainment system that truly speaks your language. This advanced stereo is designed for PQ3546 platform vehicles and does not support MQB models like the A7 MK7, Go F7, or Passat B8. This feature-rich unit offers Bluetooth, a rear-view camera port, an SD card slot, USB connectivity, and AM/FM radio, though it does not include an aux input. Enjoy seamless access to your favorite apps through wired CarPlay and Android Auto, whether via your dashboard or directly from your phone. The built-in backup camera function works flawlessly with SCUMAXCON AV and VW Original RGB MEB cameras, while our innovative anti-drain technology helps prevent battery issues common to other systems. An additional adapter is available if needed. For those seeking premium sound from Dynaudio or Fender systems, a simple battery disconnect and reconnect after installation guarantees optimal integration. To ensure reliability and safety, this switch features a rugged ABS plastic housing that not only endures tough conditions, but also protects against short circuits with its insulated rear cover. Secured by 4 robust bolts, it guarantees a steadfast connection. With 2 on-off positions, it delivers impressive performance. 275A continuous at DC 12 volt, 455A intermittent at DC 12 volts, and a powerful 1250A momentary burst at DC 12 volts. This versatile switch isolates and secures your electrical system, effectively eliminating any power draw from the battery when your vehicle, boat, or device isn't in use. Whether operating solo or locked in tandem with other switches, it safely disconnects your battery, making it a must-have for cars, marine vessels, RVs, campers, travel trailers, trucks, ATVs, UTVs, battery banks, and more. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with dependable, secure electrical isolation wherever your adventures take you.